You may not be aware that Amazon FBA is open in Australia. It's up and running and open in Australia. Now, it is not open to everybody. It's in beta mode. It's in beta mode, which means it's open to a few sellers who are using it, trying everything out, finding all the glitches, finding all the bugs, and Amazon's observing everything to see how it's being used, etc., 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 ready for the official rollout later on this year. So FBA is open in Australia. It's just in beta phase and we're waiting for it to enter alpha phase, okay? When will FBA go into alpha? I don't know for sure, but based upon two things. Firstly, their standard operating procedure in other countries, and the fact that Dandenong is open, South Sydney is being fitted out as we speak. They're making moves into southeast Queensland. They may or may not have already secured that spot that they were looking at in southeast Queensland. Based upon those two different factors, it's going to be second quarter of this year. So that's when I would imagine we'll see FBA enter alpha phase and we'll all get access to it. But currently it is open, it's just in beta. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.